In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for T-Mobile Money. Alright, so for those people who do not know T-Mobile is a SIM card company in America, but it also has like a banking sector of it. So if you guys want to, create an account for it, then basically you guys can watch this video until the end. But before that, it's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and let's move forward. So the first step is you just want to, search for T-Mobile Money sign up. After you search for it, you just want to click on the first link over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website. Once you're over here, you want to click on sign up. If you click on login, it's going to take you to its login page. But since we don't have an account, we need to create ourselves an account. So we're going to click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to show you these two options. So the first option says using my existing T-Mobile ID, which means if you guys already have a T-Mobile ID, then you can just click on it and log in into your account and create yourself a T-Mobile Money ID. But if you guys don't have like a T-Mobile ID as well, then you need to create yourself a T-Mobile ID first. Then you can create yourself like a T-Mobile Money. So remember, T-Mobile and T-Mobile Money is different. So don't get confused between T-Mobile and T-Mobile Money. All right. So let's say I already have like a T-Mobile account. So I'm just going to click on use my existing T-Mobile ID. After I click on it, it's going to ask me to sign up into it. And after I enter my information and sign up into it, like my email over here, I can basically enter my account's password and then move on to the next step. And after I do that, basically ask for my password, and after I enter my password, I should be able to log in into my account. After logging into my account, it's going to ask me for some information for my T-Mobile ID. After providing the information it asks me, I should be able to create myself a T-Mobile account. But if I don't also have like a T-Mobile ID, I need to create myself first. I need to go to a second link, create myself T-Mobile ID first, and then after creating my T-Mobile ID, I need to come back to this page and click on use my existing T-Mobile ID to create myself a T-Mobile Money ID. All right, so that's basically it. Hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.